In this video, we're going to look at an ordering method called the reorder point. So a reorder point basically is also called a queue system for quantity. So when you get down to a certain quantity, you place a new order to replenish. So visually it looks like this. If I look at a graph over time, we have this amount on hand, whatever this number is. We use some of the inventory every day. We keep going down, 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 down. We hit this defined reorder point wherever it's at, and we'll show you the math behind it. Then when we hit that point in time, I'll just call it T1, then we place an order for a lot size, whatever that lot size is decided at, and we place the order with the supplier. And then we continue to use that inventory till in a perfect world, in theory, we would just about run out, and then the lot would come back in and inventory goes back up. So this time frame between T1 and T2 is the lead time, whatever that is. And then the lot size comes in and the cycle repeats itself again where we continue to use inventory until it hits that point again of reorder point. We place the order and the cycle continues. The formula now, I'll do that on the bottom, reorder point, ROP, reorder point, is demand during lead time, plus, of course, any safety stock you may want. And demand during lead time is made up of two components. It's made up of demand, could be daily, could be weekly. I'll just call it daily demand for the moment. So demand multiplied by lead time. Mathematically then, let's say the lead time is 10 days and we use 5 per day, then it would be 5 times 10. The reorder point would be at 50 because when we got down to 50, it takes 10 days to get it, and every day we would use 5, and by the time we got to the 10th day, we'd get right down to 0, and the lot would come back in. So it's demand during lead time, demand multiplied by lead time, plus if you want any safety stock. So let's say for safety stock, we decided to carry an additional 20. So it'll be 5 times 10 is 50, plus 20 equals 70. We would set our reorder point at 70. Let's clean this out a second and just kind of walk through this. Okay. We'll put our safety stock in at 20. And let's say we've got, I don't know, 110 on hand at the moment. Okay. So every day we would go down by demand of 5. So after one day, we'd be down to 105, 100, 95, 90, so on and so forth, until we got down to 70. When we hit 70, we would place the order because that's the reorder point, demand during lead time, 5 times 10 or 50, plus safety stock of 20. So we would place the order, okay? It's going to take 10 days to get here. So 10 days of 5 per day is 50. So after 10 days, we would go through 50. We'd be right down at the safety stock, and the lot size would come back in, whatever it is. So the reorder point right here is demand during lead time, demand times lead time, plus any additional safety stock. So in a perfect world, we would never touch the safety stock then. Thank you.